Before you skip this video, pause for a moment. If you are here right now, this is not random. This prayer has reached you for a reason. Maybe you are sick, or someone you love is suffering. Maybe you feel tired, weak, or broken inside. Stay here, because today we are going to pray to Our Lady of Lourdes for healing, peace, and a miracle. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Bring into your heart the pain you've been carrying, the sickness, the fear, the uncertainty. Maybe it's physical pain, maybe it's emotional wounds, or maybe it's something you cannot even explain. You've tried to stay strong, but it's getting heavy. And tonight, you don't have to carry it alone anymore. Our Lady of Lourdes is known for miracles, for healing, for touching lives when hope feels far away. Thousands have prayed and received peace. Some received healing, others received strength to keep going. And today, you are joining that prayer. Believe this in your heart. Healing is possible, even now, even for you. Now, gently place your hand on your heart or on the place where you feel pain, and with full faith, let us begin this prayer. O Blessed Mother, Our Lady of Lourdes, I come before you today with a heart that needs healing. You know my struggles. You see my pain. Nothing is hidden from you. Loving Mother, please intercede for me. Ask your Son, Jesus Christ, to touch my body, my mind, and my soul. Remove every sickness within me. Ease my pain, calm my fears, and restore my strength. Mother Mary, wrap me in your gentle love. Just as you cared for the suffering, care for me now. If it is God's will, grant me healing. But even more than that, grant me peace. Peace in my heart, peace in my thoughts, and peace in my spirit. Help me trust, even when I don't understand. Help me believe, even when healing feels far away. Our Lady of Lourdes, be my comfort, be my strength, be my guide in this moment. I surrender everything to you, my pain, my worries, my fears. I place them all in your hands, and I believe that something is changing. Even now, healing is flowing, peace is entering, and hope is rising again. Amen. Stay in this moment. Don't rush. Just breathe. Feel the calm. Feel the stillness. Let your heart rest. Sometimes healing begins in silence. If you felt even a little peace, a little warmth, a little hope, hold on to that. That is not nothing. That is the beginning. Our Lady of Lourdes is with you, and you are not alone in this journey. If you believe in this prayer, type Amen in the comments. Share this with someone who needs healing today, and come back to this prayer whenever your heart needs strength. Stay in faith. Your healing journey has already begun.